Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create an account on the Jobs website. To begin the process, open your web browser and navigate to the official website by entering the domain name into your address bar. Once you load the site, you will see an interface that is designed to help you navigate through various career opportunities and resources. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the homepage before proceeding. After you have arrived at the site, direct your attention to the section labeled My Career. This section is prominently placed on the website and serves as your gateway into the personal job search environment. When you click on My Career, you will be taken to an area that consolidates many of the tools and resources available to job seekers. It provides a personalized experience where you can track applications, review job postings, and update your career information. Moving forward within the My Career area, you will then see an option called My Profile. This is where you can review and update your personal information, ensuring that your details remain current for potential employers. Click on My Profile to continue the process. This action brings you a step closer to setting up the account needed to access additional personalized features on the site. Once you have accessed your profile area, look for the option that states Create an account on the Jobs website. This call to action is your next step in the setup process. Selecting this will prompt a new screen where you will be guided through the account creation steps. It is designed to be straightforward, making it simple even for first-time users to follow along. In the account creation section, you will be asked to enter your email address and a chosen password. This information is crucial as it will serve as your login credentials not only for this session but for all future visits to the site. When selecting a password, keep in mind the importance of choosing one that is both secure and memorable. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if the website guidelines permit, all while ensuring that you can recall it when needed. Following the initial password entry, you will be prompted to confirm your password by typing it again in the appropriate field provided. This double entry is a standard security measure that helps ensure you have not made any errors when setting your credentials. Make sure that the confirmed password matches exactly with your first input to avoid any complications during the account activation. After the email, password, and confirmation fields have been completed accurately, click on the option that finalizes the account setup, which is labeled as Create Account. Doing so will complete the registration process and allow you immediate access to a range of career resources specifically designed for job seekers on the platform. This entire process is designed to take only a few minutes. As you follow these instructions, ensure that each field is filled in carefully and accurately. Enjoy exploring the personalized career tools and resources available once you have set up your account successfully.